Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Now today I have for you guys a really fun game that allows you to earn money at the same time. And before I show you guys this video, if you want more awesome money making videos showing to massive figure income online and at home, remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel. Alright, so the game I want to show you guys today is called 88 Wheel, and you can see that it's right here on this page. It's on this website called 88win.com. I'm going to put the link in the description below, so make sure you check it out. But before I show you guys the game, I want to show you guys the different rewards that you can get. So you can see here, you get these things called cash coins, and 1 million cash coins is equal to 5 gold coins. And 5 gold coins is equal to $5 US. And in order to exchange 2 gold coins, what you need to do is go on their Facebook, just click on this link right here, and you will be sent to the 88win Facebook page. So let me show you guys that real quick. So if you just click on the Facebook link, it'll bring you here to their 88win game page, and all you have to do is just follow them. And after you follow them, you can just send them a message saying that you want to convert your cash coins into gold coins, and they will do that for you. Alright, so now another thing you can do in order to earn gold coins is to do a weekly jackpot, and you need to get the highest score ranking in the leaderboard for the game, which I'm about to show you right in a bit. And you can see here that the top 5 players in the game can get the following prizes. So first place gets 5 gold coins, second place 4 gold coins, and so on. And once again, what you have to do to cash out your gold coins is you need to message them via Facebook. So you need to know your account ID, your PayPal ID, and how many gold coins do you want to cash out. And every week, this website will start a new game on Sunday at midnight, or GMT +8. And you can see here the minimum cash out for gold coins is 100 gold coins, which is equivalent to $100 US. Alright, so now you know how to cash out. Once again, you can see here, cashing out gold coins, just go to their Facebook page right there. And your min cash out actually in this case is $10 with a handle fee of 1.5%, which means they'll take that from your cash out. If you do $500 to $999, you can get 0.5%, or if you do over $1,000, you get no handle fee. You get the full amount of your cash out. So like I said, you can win a lot of money through this game. That's also very simple and very easy to use. So now let's go into that game. Let's go to 88 Wheel. And actually before I do that, you can see right here on the bottom right corner of the screen my account balance. So I currently have 1,180,000 cash coins, and that's what we're going to use to play in this game. So now you can see here when you enter the game that there is this wheel, and in the wheel it's going to spin this little cursor here, and that cursor, if it lands under your name, then you're going to earn whatever is in the pot. And right now in the pot you can see that there are 1,375 cash coins. So how do you win? Well, what you have to do is you have to go here and click on join this game. And when you click on join this game, you have to enter a certain amount of cash coins that you want to put into the pot. So anywhere from 200 all the way to 20,000. And as you enter more cash coins, the chances of you winning are higher. So if I put 20,000, let's just do that actually. So you can see here, I'm in the game, I'm this red. I'm this huge piece of the pie, because I put in 20,000. Everyone else only has around 1,000 or less, which means the ratio of mine to theirs is a lot higher. So I have a 59.22% chance to win. And in fact, you can even bet more. So let's say I put in okay, well I can't bet more because I put in the max. The max is 20,000. So now you can see here that the wheel is spinning, and now I won. So now I won 27,000 cash coins, and now I can play again. So you can see here, if I want to bet some more, all I have to do is put in, say, another 20,000. For some reason that didn't work. So let's say I put in another 20,000. I join the game, right? So now you can see here, since the game just begun, there's still a minute left. I have a 97% chance to win, but you can see it keeps on going down as more people enter the game, and you can see how many players are in the game on the top left corner of the screen. So you can see right now there are 5 players, including me, And you can also see how much each person has bet. So this person bet 200. This Corpus Benito bet 200 as well. But then you can, if you scroll down, you can see Alvarez Hilarion has bet almost 10,000 cash coins. Santos Johnny Jr. has bet 5,000, and Rodriguez Chandro has bet also 5,000. And you can see what their relative percentage of winning this round is. So they have 11%, 32%, but once again, we're the highest. We have a 43% chance to win. So now you can see here, you can see at the bottom that the winner of the last game was us, obviously, with a 60% chance to win. And now you can see here that there are 10 seconds left. So that means that the next round is about to begin. And now let's wait for this timer to count down. And then you're going to see the wheel is going to spin. And hopefully it lands on us. But who knows, because there's a lot of people in this game right now. So see, look at that. Unfortunately, we didn't win this game. So this guy, Santos Johnny Jr. won, and he won the whole pot of 37,800 cash coins. And you just keep on doing this over and over and over. So let's just do one more just to show you. So this time let's put, let's say 9,000. Alright, so now you can see here that we're in the game. And every time there's at least 2 people in the game will start, and there is a 1 minute 30-second timer that counts down every time the game runs. So now let's wait for that, but while we wait for that, let me show you some more of the stuff here. So you can see that you can view the game history. So you can see my history of what I've bet and how much I've won. So I've bet 20,000 3 times now, you can see, and I have won 27,000 from one of the ones that one of the spins that I got lucky on. So now we can go back into the game room, and you can see that we still have our bet here, and currently we are the leader with a 63% chance to win. So now let's watch this spin and see where it lands. Hopefully we win. Unfortunately, we were unlucky again, but this guy Alvarez won 12,000 cash coins. One final thing I want to show you guys is the leaderboard, and you can check that out by clicking on this link right above the value of the pot. So if you click right here, you can click on view leaderboard, and it'll bring up this little window here where you can see how much people have won in the past week. So you can see here, this is since August 17th, 2019, which was a couple days ago from the making of this video. And you can also see that the first rank gets 5 gold coins, the second rank gets 4, etc. And now you can see here who's first and so on. So in first place right now, there's this guy, Raquel Pineda, who has a total of 3,700,000 coins in earnings from playing the 88 wheel game. And now you can see here in second is this other person with this really long name who has 2.6 million coins won. And third place is this person here with 2.5 million. And now you can see here that we have won 27,000, and we are currently not ranked. So now you can see, you can look at all the top 20 players, and you can even show the top 50. And ideally, you want to be within the top 5, because that's how you're going to get the gold coins. And remember that each gold coin is worth $1 US, so it is in your benefit to be in the top 5. So yeah, that's the leaderboard for you. So like I said, this is a very, very simple, straightforward game. It takes literally no effort at all. All you're doing is just joining games and just betting cash coins, and hopefully you get lucky, and you can clearly see what your percentages are. Even though you have the highest percent, you won't always win. It's just how statistics works, unfortunately. But yeah, like I said, it's fun, it's easy, and you can make a lot of money from this. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximizing your income online and at home.